Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro Set launched globally. Starting in Singapore, Xiaomi has officially expanded its audio lineup with the global debut of the Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro Set, starting in Singapore as its first international market. Priced at SGD 139, approximately $109. This desktop audio solution combines a sleek main speaker with a dedicated wireless subwoofer, offering an immersive listening experience for everyday users. Notably, the system was initially introduced in China in September 2025 under the name Redmi Desktop Speaker 2 Pro, and now arrives globally with refined positioning under Xiaomi's core branding. At the heart of the setup is a thoughtfully engineered main speaker unit featuring a 4-driver configuration. This includes dual 10W racetrack drivers paired with 2 passive radiators arranged horizontally to enhance stereo separation and deliver a wider soundstage. The speaker is uniquely angled upward at 53 degrees, a design choice that helps direct audio toward the user for improved clarity, especially in desktop environments where positioning is crucial. Complementing the main speaker is a wireless subwoofer equipped with a 96mm long throw driver and a precision-tuned acoustic port. Capable of reproducing frequencies as low as 60 Hz, the subwoofer ensures deep and punchy bass. Its independent power supply allows it to deliver consistent low-end performance without interfering with the main unit's output, resulting in a balanced overall sound profile. The connection between the main speaker and subwoofer is handled via a low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless link, ensuring synchronized audio playback without noticeable delay. Audio processing is powered by an integrated DSP, digital signal processing system, with a full digital signal chain and built-in amplifier. This setup minimizes distortion and background noise while maintaining a high dynamic range. Users can choose from 5 EQ presets: music, bass, vocals, game, and movie, allowing the system to adapt to different listening scenarios. The subwoofer intelligently adjusts its output based on the selected mode for optimal performance. In terms of connectivity, the speaker system supports USB, Bluetooth 5.3 with A2DP playback, and a standard aux input, making it compatible with PCs, smartphones, and tablets. It also includes a built-in microphone with acoustic echo cancellation, making it suitable for calls and online meetings. Additionally, a 3.5mm microphone input is available for users who prefer external microphones. Aesthetically, the Xiaomi Desktop Speaker Pro Set features a modern design with a metal grille and customizable RGB lighting. The main speaker houses 24 LEDs, while the subwoofer includes 5 LEDs, offering 6 different lighting effects to enhance the desktop ambiance. Controls are conveniently placed with a side-mounted knob and top buttons for adjusting volume, switching modes, selecting inputs, and managing lighting effects. Overall, Xiaomi's latest desktop speaker system blends performance, versatility, and design, making it an attractive option for users seeking an affordable yet feature-rich audio upgrade.